hope he doesn't hit the cars. Honey, seriously, go down with... Honey, go...
Whoa, slow down. Which
He's one that is rogue.
He's crazy.
Yeah, he is.
Well, I hope he knows how to turn that thing around.
Oh my gosh. We definitely have to go over to the school. Oh.
Where'd he go now?
There he is. He made a really quick turn. He does things so like quick.
Oh, there.
Oh no.
Oh, Phineas got to go see what's going on. Boy, there's those Marksley boys.
Okay, now we can go to the...
Yeah, we should go over there. Yeah, park and we'll go over there in a second. Don't run over Finn. Come right behind Mace.
Should I turn her off?
Okay, slow down. Stop. Stop.
It's hard to stop.
How do you stop? Is there a brake?
Oh, right here.
Remember, if you want to stop, you push on that.
I turned it off.
Okay, let's
Can you turn mine off?
Push this.
there. Wow. So what do we think, boys?
I guess that one is. That thing takes off.
Oh my goodness. So what do you think, boys?
What do you guys
Thank
think?
you so much, Grandpa.
Oh, man, I'm sure glad you guys got him.
What do you need? Can we go inside?
Yeah, let's
and
go
let me
inside.
get
Let's get
a
drinks. And
Yeah,
then,
and we'll head over.
yeah, let's go.
Could you give me some juice, please?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah, leave it right here.
You better take your key.